you listen closely, he's snoring away. Getting closer.
He's tired. He had a very busy day.
It's not so much as the magnets that I want in this here ankle support. It's something I want the support.